Hello again, everybody. This is Bulk Hungry, obviously, you know that. And where may I be today? This, maybe Ohio or Pennsylvania or, I don't know, Montana? No, this is Dallas, Texas. Okay, it's more like Lancaster, Texas. It's a suburb of Dallas, about 10-15 miles south of the downtown area. Anywho, this is all from today. This is about a foot of snow here. And played hell getting here. Apparently Texas has never heard of a snowplow, which you can't really say I blame them because, hey, it doesn't snow very often. But yeah, that's my new international. I know I've been promising everybody a video of it from the inside. Uh, but for now, here's the outside. And hey, it matches the snow. And there you go. Played hell getting through here. Roads were a mess. So there you go. There you have it. Ugh, my camera's probably going to get ruined. Lancaster, Texas, just right south of Dallas. And this is February 11th. So there you have it. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. I swear I'll get a video of the inside of my truck soon. It's nothing spectacular, but it's nice.